Welcome to Open Source Photography. Jarvis couldn't make it today. He needed to iron some shirts for a man, or for an Iron Man, something like that. Anyway, so he asked me if I could speak in the text in his place. People call me Smokey. I have no idea how they came up with that. Today, I've got a short video on infrared photography. There are different ways to achieve an infrared picture, but for this video and the tutorial on open source photography, we'll divide them into 3 categories. The first is using real infrared film, a modified digital camera, or infrared filters. Whether this is the best way, I'll leave that up in the air, but it's certainly the most difficult and complex method. Then there's the open source photography approach, using a PictureFX faux infrared LUT. How that works, and more importantly perhaps for many, how it's made, well, just a little patience. We'll discuss that in part 2 of the OSP tutorial, and there will also be a video. The third way, and what we're doing today, is creating a fake infrared picture in Gimp. For those not familiar with Gimp, it can also be done in Photoshop just as easily. The process is pretty much the same. This video aims to show how quickly and simply you can do this. For those finding it all a bit too fast, head to the article on OSP where you can go over everything at your own pace. To begin, open a target picture in Gimp. In the Layers tab on the right, right-click on the layer of your opened picture and choose Duplicate Layer. Then, go to the Colors tab in the top left, and in the menu, click on Invert. Go back to the Layers tab on the right, and change the layer mode to Color or HSL Color in this case. Now, the picture is starting to resemble infrared a bit more, but we're not quite there yet. The next step is back in the Color tab on the left. Click on the Colors tab, and in the menu, choose Hue-Saturation. Under Primary Color to adjust, click on the blue channel. Below that, under Adjust Selected Color. Slide the hue slider to the right until you get the desired red or pinkish color. To make the sky, which may be yellow-orange, blue again, click on the yellow, red channel and slide the hue slider to the left until you get it look blue. If necessary, you can improve the result by adjusting the saturation and lightness sliders until you get the desired result. And that's it, not so difficult once you know how. Remember, just like with the real methods using film, filters, and LUTs, the result heavily depends on the picture used, lighting conditions, and subject. So, not every picture will look amazing. Thanks for watching, and especially, like and subscribe to Open Source Photography. You can find the link to the site below. And don't forget, next episode will reveal the hidden secrets of the PictureFX faux infrared cube. Goodbye.